Okay, so the second great part of EndNote is that we can actually take all of this information that we have in our EndNote library and cite references in a paper that we're writing in Word. So if we kind of just minimize out of EndNote, don't need any of that information anymore, but if we open Word, so we'll open this paper that I'm working on. Really, this is just Shakespeare's Sonnet 29. I just needed some text as an example, so that's what we get today. You can see here, now that we've installed EndNote on this computer, EndNote 18 is now popping up over here as one of the tabs on our home bar. So you can see here there's lots of different options to insert citations, go to EndNote, you can edit things. You get to choose, again, what citation style we're using. So there's, again, that list that EndNote auto installs, but you can select another style still. If maybe we want, I don't know, this archives toxicology to be in there, that's now one of our quick grab options. So you can, of course, personalize that as much as you want to. So basically all you need to know to insert an in-text citation is where it's supposed to go in your paper. So if we're using APA, we know it's going in between the text and the period at the end of the sentence. Or if we're using AMA, we know the little exponent is supposed to go after the period, or wherever those go. So that's really the only piece of information you need to know to get this going. So for example, if we want to put, well, we'll make this a period. Sorry, Shakespeare. So we can now insert, maybe we're trying to do APA and insert a citation here. We'll click space, and then you just click this little insert citation button, and this pulls up a section where we can search our EndNote library to find the reference we want. So I'll just do A for now. We don't know who we want to cite. Let's go with Garner. So then we just click insert. It takes EndNote a minute. You can see it's trying. Come on, EndNote. Sorry, that little blue wheel is still a-going. I promise it's usually much faster than this. Let's just restart. Oh, it's all fine. Okay. So there, now you see we have our in-text citation. So maybe we don't want to use archives toxicology. It's okay, it's a really easy change. We'll just click APA, and you can see now that it's changed to include all 3 authors and our year for us, which is really nice. So we can insert another citation, maybe down here we've cited someone else, and maybe this is a direct quotation. So we'll add our quotation marks, we'll add our space, and then instead of insert citation, if you want to go back to that EndNote screen that you're used to seeing, you can actually click go to EndNote. So now we're back in our full EndNote, and maybe we're citing something from our case report poster. So we can choose aims, and then it's up here at the top, these tiny little quotes is the other option to click insert citation. So if we click that button, now you can see we've added our citation for aims. Does that kind of make sense how there are 2 different ways? So you can either click insert citation or go to EndNote. But since this one is a direct quote, we need our page number, right? So if we try to add a page number right now, you can see how this is kind of highlighted gray and weird. If we click out EndNote, see, it just deleted it. So EndNote's really trying to protect your citation, so it's basically letting you stay out of your own way and not accidentally mess up the way the citation is supposed to look. So you can't actually add your own edits just by typing, but if we click Edit and Manage Citations, you can actually see here our 2 citations that we've put in our paper so far, our Garner citation and our AIM citation. And we know that AIM citation was a direct quote, so we can actually add our page number here. So if it's on page 6, we'll just click OK. And now EndNote has added that page 6 for us. Or maybe now, oh yes, Eden.
Will that add it to all of the citations?
Just that one. So say we add another citation for aims right here. We can go ahead and do aims, insert. Now you see, not only has it gotten rid of the page number, but the second time you cite somebody with a lot of authors in APA, it changes to aims et al. So it's gone ahead and done that for us. But if we wanted a different page number here, we can just click Edit and Manage Citations again. And now you see we have our 2 instances of aims. So on the second one, we'll just click here. Pages, maybe this is page 22. We'll click OK, and it's added our page number in for us. And maybe now we're done with APA. Maybe we want to cite in a numbered style like JAMA. We can go ahead and click there. And now it's changed it to numbered for us. Oh, and I didn't even show you this part before. It now has our citations here for us as well. And what's really nice about EndNote is, say maybe we're reorganizing our paper and this section for some reason is now at the top. If we update our citations and bibliography, EndNote just renumbered for us, which is really, really nice. Because then you don't have to have gotten your paper perfect and ready to go, and then one of your colleagues reads it over and is like, oh, I think you should arrange it like this. EndNote makes it really easy that you don't have to go through and renumber all of those citations. Okay. Yeah, it will do that too. So if we go back to APA, so if we want to move this AIM section back up above our first reference, again, we'll just want to click Update Citations and Bibliography, and now you can see here that it's swapped the order of those for us.